I'm Ankit Mehrotra and I run an online restaurant reservation website called Dineout. It's a very simple thing. We provide a service where any user can come to our website and make reservations for their meals through our website absolutely free of cost and can get fantastic discounts in return. So the discounts range from 15% up to 50%, 7 days of the week. There's no coupons, no 1 month validity, nothing like that. So it's as simple as that. So as an example, you want to go out tonight, you don't know where you want to go. Firstly, you call us. We, depending on the occasion, we suggest a place and then we provide you a very good discount. So it's as simple as that. What was missing was a personalized sort of a concierge service where people could redirect you to where you wanted to go depending on the occasion you are going out to. It could be a celebrate, for example, it could be just a meal for two, dinner with a family, an anniversary or anything. And there was no personalized attention given to that. So I want to celebrate a birthday today for 20 people, and if I have to go out, I have to probably, obviously if I'm paying, I want to keep the cost down as well. So I need to call up 10 different places to try to negotiate a deal and see where I can get the best deal. We are online, so someone can reach us through our website, which is www.dineout.co.in, or you can also call us on 011 4141 4174. So there are 2 ways to reach us right now, and we are coming up with mobile apps and all, so that there are additional ways of reaching us. So our whole vision is that tomorrow, let's say you go to forget about Delhi, you go to any part of the country and you do not know, let's say you find yourself in a new city and you don't know where to go out to eat or have a dinner or whatever. You can use our mobile app to figure out which restaurants are nearby, figure out what sort of discounts you can get, and book your table online straight away, so that there's no hassle. As soon as you get there, your table is there waiting for you, and your discount is at the end of the meal. You get a discount absolutely free of cost. So we will break even this month, which is only our 3rd month. So that is obviously a good sign. Seed fund is so there are the initial group of so I'm the original founder and I have a group of people with me who one is a co-founder and a couple of them are the partners. So it was our fund. So there we used our money, so we are bootstrapped till now, and we started off with 10 lakhs in capital, and we have reserves, so we have money to for the time being. So as I said, I've been living in London for the last 10 years and I was an investment banker by profession. So for the last 6 years I was investment banking with a firm called BNP Paribas in London, and it was a tough decision because I qualified for my British residency. I was doing very well professionally, but then I decided to quit everything and move back to India to start this. So going from where you're earning probably a lot of money to something where you're not earning anything and in fact have to put up your money, it was a bigger challenge, and more from a mindset of the perspective of the Indian family as an example. So my parents were always against it, that they did not want me to first of all quit my job and come back, and then they did not want me to start up something for myself. So there are a lot of challenges involved, but I think the most important thing which you need to know for yourself is you need to believe in yourself, you need to believe in the idea, and you need to know how to make it work. So you need to have a good team around you to begin with straight away. So I was lucky enough that I had a couple of I met friends from school who shared the same idea, shared the same passion, and did the same thing. So the most important thing I think for any startup is that everyone should be in the same boat. So all my friends, we quit our jobs around the same time, decided to move back and decided to then get into this fully, and that is the most important thing from a startup perspective.